Desire to help is a killer. She walked right into my arms. She wouldn't shake her demons on her own. Introduced them to me as her old friends. A hug was stiff, I could smell what I stepped in. Cartoon balloon screamed the same stench. In her twisted embrace, shifting through emotions with a finger raised. Deranged, angelic face, attracting chaos, haphazard ways. Oh, my soulmate. My soulmate. Desire to help is a killer. Walk the time. In a hostile territory, trust is rare. Found solace in a silent, lonely place, leaving behind the one that you love, hoping it will work, but it won't. A rebel, a poet, and a consequence. Tiny hotel bottles couldn't do their job. I'm keeping my mouth shut, listening to your voice, strong as a choke. Our daily ritual is turning to suffering of us both. Rebel, a poet, and a consequence. If struggle molds the spirit, I choose to be a saint. Digging trenches in this foreign land, bleeding from my palms, getting canonized. When they're done, they'll ship me back where I belong. Rebel, a poet, and a consequence. Say those things, say when something ends, something new begins. They say time heals, but buddy, you ain't got that time. So push that damn thing where it belongs. And when you get there, sober or drunk, make it count. Make it count. And if you get there half alive, don't tell her why. Don't tell her why. Be kind. Be kind, like you were once. Be kind. Be kind, like you were once. There's really something about those shiny boots of leather in so many ways, and all the smart boys know why it pays to try one more time. So push that damn thing where it belongs. Push it till you rise. white. She is the only one that keeps them moving. In a heart of Memphis, a king of Egypt sings the line Giuseppe wrote. Your words, they resonate 1,000 times, replay. Missing you is a full-time job. I am here and you are there, and singers who sang for me the whole summer long are flying home to sing for you that same sad song. And I'm sad, how could you let your fears decide? Voilà. For you, at the end of the queue, trained to do what they tell you to do. Let me tell you a little secret. The day you're waiting for will never come. So sing along. but a little germ, stuck with others in this world, swimming in their petri dish with all the shit that floats around in these glass jars we call town. Oh, every day they come around to check on us and fill their files. The strongest and the weakest among us get the worst. Oh, all we see is diamond light with red dots that glow inside. They're spying eyes. As for me, in their pie chart, I'm at 5% painted blue. I'm still allowed to sing for you. Running for the last century. okay. Could have been better. It's okay. Could have been great. The ex-husband of the woman upstairs gave an impression he won't back down. There was nothing I could do, so I thought, fine. Well, imagine I'm at a Scala in Milan. Goddess, a classical pantheon against Antonin Artaud's theatre of cruelty. As the audience gathers on their balconies to listen to their madrigal for free. She cries her bel canto like so many times before, and props start hitting walls, synchronized with echoes of his voice. And then a twist, dramatic pause sits perfectly in their score, like the rest. I hold my breath till he breaks the silence, screaming, drop the knife. Act number 3. A bird, a tragedy. Extras march onto the stage with their matching costumes and choreography. Crescendo, and then a bow. Our little foyer is filling up with a crowd, and limousines, they wait outside to take the actors into the night. White red for her and the kid. The lights, they turn around with a sound of sirens or curtain that falls down. All right. I liked you better when you were a drunk. You saved my ass so many times. I liked you better when you were a drunk. I miss the mornings with sunlight. I miss those nights. I liked you better when you were a drunk. I go and I visit you sometimes. I bring you flowers, I light the candle, and I stand there for a little while. I liked you better when you were a drunk. Hvala lepa.